Hello world, this is Sam with Fundemonium, and I'm here to walk you through the homemade lava lamp project you'll find in your science bag. In the bag you'll find this bottle which will serve as your lava lamp. In the bottom is water, and on the top this yellow, it's just good old-fashioned vegetable oil. I'm sure you've used it plenty of times in the kitchen. Now you notice the oil, it floats on top of the water. They never truly mix because they have a different density, and the water's a bit heavier, so the oil will always float on top. Watch. You can give it a little shake, and within just a few moments, I'll leave that there. You'll see soon enough it'll separate itself right back out again. Now also in the bag, you'll find this, Alka-Seltzer tablets. In this pack, there's 2 tablets, but you only need 1 for each reaction, so I'll give you a chance to do it twice here with this. And if you have your own Alka-Seltzer at home, you can do it as many times as you have more Alka-Seltzer tablets. See, it's already separated back out again. Now, hopefully, you've had it at your house, you have some food coloring. Now, with this project, I like to use yellow, because the light's going to be shining through it, and the other colors can be a little dark and cloudy sometimes, so you don't want to use very much at all. Even with a yellow, I'm only going to use just 1 drop. Screw the lid, put it in the top here. A little goes a long way with food coloring. Just the 1. And you may notice at this point too, with whatever color you choose, you can't see it from here, but you may notice little bubbles of the food coloring staying in the oil. Well, the food coloring is primarily water. It's mainly water-based, so for that reason, it won't completely mix with the oil, even now after I give it a quick shake. Yep, it'll separate back out again. So yeah, I don't give it very much color at all. I like it just have a little tint so that some light can get through it, because you can always add more if you want, but once it's in there, you can't take it away. So for a light source, I'm just going to go ahead and use my cell phone, because it's convenient, it's flat, you can lay it down. I do suggest for this point, though, if you are using a phone, you're going to want to put it on airplane mode or just some way that it won't vibrate what's going on and shake your lava lamp off the top. That's no good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the lights, move the camera, and position this on top of there, and I'll be back with that right about now. So, in order to make the Alka-Seltzer fit, you're going to have to break it into at least half just to make it small to fit in the top of the bottle there. So I'm going to go ahead and drop all that in right now. You notice some bubbles start to happen. It's a little hard to catch with the contrast, but I'll move it a little closer so you can get a bit better of an idea of what's going on here. Now those bubbles, they bring a lot of water up with it, and the water won't really mix with the oil either. So you get a nice sort of a bubbly, oily water effect here. And that'll go for maybe a few minutes as long as that Alka-Seltzer will last down there. And as I said, we gave you 2, so you can do this at least twice. If you have your own Alka-Seltzer at home, you're free to do this as many times as you like. You may also want to keep in mind, similar to a soda, these bubbles have a gas, and that gas needs to escape somewhere. So you want to make sure the lid is either off or loosened for this. Now, it won't blow up like a shaken soda, but you can still get a little bit of a poof of air that comes out and builds up. And you don't want to have that build up too much, or it could damage the bottle or something like that. So that's a general idea of what we have going on. You'll be able to see this a bit better in your own home. It's hard to capture a light source like this in the dark with a camera, but you have the general idea of how it works. We thank you very much for watching.